Hey guys, welcome to Digitalized, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen share not working on Discord. So to do that, first go to your Discord and log into your account. Alright, so once you're here, all you have to do is go to settings. On the left hand side you can see user settings, click there and scroll down until you see voice and video, click there. And over here scroll down. So over here you can see this option, use an experience method to capture audio from applications. So all you have to do is turn this option on and your screen share audio will again work. So that is how you can fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and I will see you on the next video.